Good afternoon, students. Today we will continue the same chapter, data handling, and our next question is question number 3 of examples. The bar graph shows the number of children in 5 sections of class 4 who participate in an inter-school race. So there is a graph of participants in an inter-school race. यहाँ पे क्या है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कुछ चिल्ड्रन हैं स्कूल के क्लास 4 के जो इंटर स्कूल रेस में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं. तो उनके नंबर्स पे बेस्ड हमको ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करना है. वी हैव टू शो द ग्राफ, वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट द ग्राफ बेस्ड ऑन द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट. सो देयर आर 5 सेक्शंस इन क्लास 4. First is 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D and 4E. And there are 25 participants in class 4A, 35 students in class 4B, 15 students in class 4C, 35 students in class 4D and 20 participants in class 4E. So we have number of participants. So on this based we draw a graph that this graph. So we make a line five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे जिसमें 5 के डिस्टेंस से नंबर लिखा होगा और ये नंबर्स किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. देन अब ये 5 के डिफरेंस में है तो यहाँ पे हम सिंपली लाइन से 5 लाइन्स रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे जो इनको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड ये 5, देन 6, 7, 8, 9, दिस 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, दिस 15, सेम. And their sections 4A, 4B, 4C, 4D and 4E. Then there are 25 students in class 4A, means 25 participants of class 4A. So there is 25, we put a mark and draw like this. Next is there are 35 participants in 4B. So here 35, we again make a line up to 35. Then in 4C there are 15 participants. There is 15, so we mark this line and 15 and draw this line up to 15. Next is 4D. So there are 35 participants in class 4D. Again 35 means this is 35 and we draw like this. Next one is 4E and there are 20 participants in class 4E. Here is 20 and we draw like this. The main thing is कि आपको ऐसे नॉर्मली ड्रॉ नहीं करना है, आपको स्केल का यूज़ करके प्रॉपर जैसा बुक में है वैसे ड्रॉ करना है. उसके बाद there are some questions based on this graph. First one is, which class has the least number of participants in the inter-school race? which class has the least number of participants in the inter-school race? So we can see that there are 15 is the least number and 15 participants of class 4C. So answer is class 4C has the least number of participants in the inter-school race. Then the next question is, which two classes have the same number of participants? So we can see that in graph and in this table there are 35 and 35 repeated twice, means 4B and 4D has the same number of participants. So we can write here 4B and 4C, 4D. 4B and 4D have the same number of participants. Then the next one is, how many participants are there altogether? मीन्स यहाँ पे टोटल कितनी नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट हैं? तो वी हैव टू ऐड दिस ऑल, मीन्स 25 total number of participants means 25, then 35, 15, 35 and 20. So add these number. There are 5 and 5 10, 5 15, 5 20, 0 carry 2, 2 and 2 4, 4 and 3 7, 1 8 and 3 11 and 2 30. So there are total 130 participants. There are total 130 participants altogether. Then the next is exercise do and learn. So this exercise is also, these questions are same as examples question. The first question is, the bar graph below shows the favorite sports of some children in Goodwill Primary School. Means there is a school which name is Goodwill Primary School and some children and their favorite sports. यहाँ पे क्या है, एक स्कूल के कुछ बच्चे हैं और उनका फेवरेट स्पोर्ट है. मीन्स जैसे कुछ बच्चों का फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स क्या है, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, बैडमिंटन एंड स्विमिंग. 4 स्पोर्ट्स है यहाँ पे और हमको नंबर ये ग्राफ दिया है, उससे हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना है कि किस स्पोर्ट्स में कितनी नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हैं. सो थ्रू द बार ग्राफ, थ्रू दिस ग्राफ वी मेक अ टेबल. फर्स्टली मेक अ टेबल. Here name of sports and number of children. First sports is cricket. Next is football, badminton and swimming. So after this, football, badminton and swimming. In cricket, we can see that in cricket there are 45 children. So we can write here, in cricket there are 45 children. After this, in football there are more than 25, means 25, 26, 27 and 28. So in football there are 28 children. After this, in badminton, so in badminton there is one more than 35 and one this 36. So 36 children in badminton. After this, number of students in swimming. So there are exactly 35 students in swimming. 35. Okay, after this table we have to solve some questions based on this table and this graph. What information does the bar graph shows? So first question is, how many children like cricket? First question is, means part first, how many children like cricket? So we can see that 45 children like cricket. So we can write here 45 children like cricket. Next is, how many children like badminton? So in badminton there are 36 students, means 36 children. So we can write here 36 children like badminton. Next is, how many fewer children prefer football to cricket? How many fewer children prefer football to cricket? इस क्रिकेट से कितने ज़्यादा चिल्ड्रन फुटबॉल में हैं या फिर कितने कम चिल्ड्रन फुटबॉल में हैं? कितने स्टूडेंट्स जो फुटबॉल क्रिकेट को प्रेफर करते हैं फुटबॉल से ज़्यादा? तो इसमें हमको क्या करना है, इसमें हमको डिफरेंस चाहिए रहेगा. सो हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे क्रिकेट में जितने चिल्ड्रन हैं उनको किस में, फुटबॉल में जितने चिल्ड्रन हैं उनको क्रिकेट में जितने चिल्ड्रन हैं उसमें से नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो number of children in cricket are 45 and number of children in football are 28. So we subtract 28 from 45. We got 17. It means 17 fewer children prefer football to cricket. 17 fewer children prefer football to cricket. Then next is, how many more children prefer cricket to swimming? Means स्विमिंग से कितने ज़्यादा चिल्ड्रन क्रिकेट प्रेफर करते हैं. सो सेम ऐसे ही जैसा हमने अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया, सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. फर्स्टली हम लिखेंगे number of children in cricket is equal to 45. Then number of children in swimming. So in swimming there are 35 children. So we can write here 35. After this 45 minus 35 is equal to 10, means 10 more children prefer cricket to swimming. The last question is, which sport is the most popular? Can you give a possible reason for this? So देयर आर 45 चिल्ड्रन इन क्रिकेट। सबसे ज़्यादा चिल्ड्रन किस में है? क्रिकेट में। सो मोस्ट पॉपुलर गेम क्या हुआ? मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट इज क्रिकेट। ई cricket is the most popular sports, and we have to give the reason, a possible reason for this. So there are most number of children like cricket. Okay, so that's the answer. I hope you understand all these questions. इनको आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है और फेयर कॉपी में नोट करना है. ओके, सो that's all for today. Okay, thank you class.